not the lash they fear. It is my divine power.
What's up? Papa up in the house. Y'all already know what I'm finna say. Go on over there and check out that Instagram. Yeah, man. Subscribe too. So let me show you kind of. I didn't film everything, but you kind of get the idea. So these was the 2 seat bolts, and what I did, I utilized these in order to make a brace. All of this is together. I hadn't tightened this down yet because I want to get this part right to make sure that whenever I do push up against it, it'll be even. Not really gonna see up under there anyway, because the boss is gonna sit like up from here and go all the way up. But you have to have bracing. So these 2 and on the other side, and then I'm gonna have one here in the middle and on that little piece right there, if I can. That's a real tight piece. It may not even utilize anything, but we'll see. All right, so right here is the middle brace, and I'll throw some pictures up on the screen right now. So right here, this will be the middle part, and what I have to do is go across again with another piece to come all the way up and meet the wood. All right, I made my floor completely out of 2x4s and Craig jig screws, and what you have to do with this, it'll kind of bow a little bit, so I added a piece right there to keep it flat. And then when you put the box and put it on the top, it's gonna flatten it out even more. But ultimately, that's the main piece that's keeping it flat right now, so you don't get any bows in the floor. I'll show you a picture of it being even. All right, so over here looks kind of funky, but all of my ground wires, all 4 of them, is going to come up through here. So I'll put my ground wires up through here and kind of make me a notch on the wood and bring them up through here. And then all of these right here, my power wire, is going to do the same thing on a whole different notch. And all of that'll be basically covered up. You ain't gonna even see all that stuff. I'll still have access to my fuse box. Whenever I slide the floor in, there's plenty of room for me to get to it, even from both sides, whether or not I need to lift this up and kind of maybe put a light or something over it and know which fuses I need to, take out or whatever. If in fact the whole unit fails, then guess what? I'll be able to slide the box out and get to it, and it'll just sit kind of like right there, instead of putting the whole floor in here, and then I won't be able to get to it. So it's a well thought out plan. Hope you guys like it. If you got a Trailblazer and y'all want to try to do something like this, yeah. So shoot, man, let me show you this floor sliding in. And I hadn't even got the whole thing done, and I'm 200 plus. I'm able to sit on it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.